Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. First things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when we drop another video. Now you can see the box. You got that classic black and red Nike box. So what we got today is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG NRG, also known as the Homage To Home. Now these retail for $160. Opening the box, you got the plain white paper. But enough of that. Let's get down to business, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan 1 Homage To Home. Now, if I'm not mistaken, these released in Chicago first, and these were numbered pairs. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments, man. But yeah, these released in Chicago, some kind of special little thing they had going on, you know, but now the release date for that nationwide release is 5/19/18, which will be this Saturday. Now looking at the bottom of the shoe, you got the plain red bottom. Now it comes with extra pair of laces, some red laces, no branding on the bag. I mean, it is what it is. Now you can see that you have the divider going down the middle of the shoe. Now at first I thought that it was just painted like that, and you know, they just evenly split it down the middle with paint. But as you can see, like, it's been stitched down the middle. You know what I'm saying? So you can see the tag on the inside of the tongue going on with the same old theme, split down the middle. I mean, I think it's a dope quality shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? It look like they put a lot of work into it, even though it's only a 1. You know what I mean? But what more can I say, man? It's an Air Jordan 1. Like I say, I think the quality on it is dope. You know what I'm saying? I'm just not really a fan of this little pattern like this. Like, like 2 different shoes in one. Like, you know, I'm not with that. But I think the shoe is dope, man. Like I said, you can see the stitching that divides the whole color template in half. See, on the medial side of the shoe, it looked like a bread one. And on the medial side of the shoe, it looks like a, what y'all called it? Air Jordan Home, I believe that's what it was. Something like that, but y'all already know what's happening, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You feeling this shoe? You think it's ugly? Think it was a waste of time? What? Let me know what's happening. Know what I'm saying? But like I said, I think the shoe is well put together. Just not really my style. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, I like it, man. You know, I won't be getting a pair for myself, but I think it's a dope shoe, man. Especially on the smaller foot. Speaking of smaller foot, y'all stay tuned to the end, man. We're gonna do a little short on foot of the shoe, let you see what it look like with some jeans on or whatnot. And we're gonna keep it rolling, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, man, let me know what y'all think. This is the Air Jordan 1 Homage To Home. These release May 19th, which will be this Saturday. They retailing for $160. You know what I'm saying? The colorway is black, white, and university red. So I mean, you know, a lot of people got their pairs early. A lot of people still have their pairs that they got for the little event they had in Chicago or whatever it was. You know what I'm saying? And as you can see, man, it just really looks like 2 different shoes. You know what I'm saying? But I think that part is dope. I just don't like the front, you know, the way this looks like this. You know what I'm saying? But don't worry about me. You know what I'm saying? That's just my opinion. I'm just showing you the kicks, which I know you saw them already, but for those that didn't see it, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and check it out. You know, let me know what y'all think, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments, man. Anyway, thank y'all for subscribing and watching the videos, man. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna get better and better. And we're gonna get bigger and bigger. We're gonna do this, you know what I'm saying? We got probably gonna be doing a giveaway soon too, man. trying to figure out, you know, like what I could do. You know what I'm saying? But in the meantime, you know, stay tuned for that. You know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all go ahead, subscribe to the channel, man. Turn notifications on. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazare504. And now we're gonna get into that on feet. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, thank y'all for watching. Go ahead and make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. And I'ma holler back.